Hi friends, Tom Love here from the Tom Love Group. I want to welcome you to our latest listing, 9390 Stange Avenue, out here in the Northwest. This is a beautiful 2+ acre property. We've got 2 structures on it. Total square footage is approximately 4,700 square feet. The main living square footage is a beautiful single story. The current owners have invested well over $1 million in upgrades and remodeling. Some of the great features about this property is that it does have a detached casita. It's got an amazing garage, an RV garage, a great workshop. And since we're sitting on 2 acres, the back half of the property is not developed. Some of my best views of this property are the mountains right behind you or the entire strip in front of you. So come on in and take a look at the hard work that this seller did, investing over $1 million to bring this house up to the most current standards. Come take a look.